Now it is my pleasure to invite Mr. Surendran Boji, Workers Delegate from India. Thank you.
Respected President, distinguished delegates, brothers and sisters, on behalf of Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh, the largest central trade union of India, I extend warm greetings and fraternal solidarity to all the delegates participating in 114th session of International Labour Conference. Home to nearly 1/5 of the humanity, India today stands at the forefront of global economic transformation. This progress has been powered by the dedication, skill, and resilience of millions of workers whose contributions continue to drive both its national development and the global economic growth. I am pleased to share that India has been awarded global recognition for attaining the world's highest social security coverage for workers. And with the 64% of the workforce now covered under the various social security schemes. This award is presented by the International Social Security Association, ISA, at the World Social Security Conference Summit in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. At the time when global unemployment is projected to remain stable at 4.9%, the persistent global job gaps affecting more than 400 million people serves as a stark reminder for that the employment alone is not enough. The international community must focus equally on the creating quality jobs that ensure decent wages, social protection, occupational safety, and opportunities for skill development. The ongoing tensions and conflict in West Asia are causing serious concerns among workers worldwide. For countries like India, these developments affect labor mobility, overseas employment opportunities, remittances flows, and supply chains, and the sustainability of micro, small, and medium enterprises. In a conflict-ridden world, we recognize in increasing the role of trade unions and promoting peaceful dialogue, policy interventions, and deliberating durable solutions for building a confidence among the people. Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh appreciates the leadership of the Director General of ILO, Mr. Gilbert Hongbo, and welcomes his report, quote, a moment of choice harnessing artificial intelligence for decent work. The basic approach should be the new technologies and AI are to assist the humans, but not to replace them. The principle of fair treatment, dignity, and respect must extend to every category of worker, including those engaged rapidly extending platform and gig economy. And in this context, we appreciate the efforts of the Government of India and some of the state governments in extending social security protections to the gig and platform workers in India. These measures represent important steps towards ensuring that no worker is left behind the digital economy. DG ILO reiterated that labor is not a commodity. BMS strongly feels that labor is the human capital. But the acrimonious term, quote, labor market is the focal point for all types of maladies affecting in the labor field, including hire and fire. We appeal to all the member countries to refrain from using this term and replace it with an appropriate and a dignified term such as labor force. Labor migration, both internal and cross-border, remains a significant global concern. Migrant workers frequently encounter vulnerabilities arising from insecure employment arrangements, inadequate social protection, and weak enforcement mechanism. Ensuring decent work, safe migration, portability of benefits, and equal treatment remains a collective responsibility of governments, employers, and workers' organizations worldwide. Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh reaffirms an unwavering commitment to building a future of work that is just, inclusive, and resilient and human-centered. As we navigate through the opportunities and challenges presented by the technological transformation, demographic change, and global economic uncertainty, let us work together to ensure that innovation serves humanity, and that growth benefits all, and that every worker enjoys dignity, security, and social justice. With solidarity and shared resolve, let us advance the ILO noble mission of promoting decent work in the world of work. Thanking you one and all. Thank you.
Thank you very much.